वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में हो अव्यक्त वतन में हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है, वो जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है। बनना है संपूर्ण हो, किया बाबा से वादा है, जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। ये देह न याद आए, देहधारी न याद आए हो, ये देह न याद आए, देहधारी न याद आए। ये पतित पुरानी सी हो दुनिया भी न याद आए, याद आए तो बस अपना वो वतन ही याद आए। वतन में है ठहरे हुए बाबा हमारे लिए हो वतन में है ठहरे हुए बाबा हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं इंतजार घर ले जाने के लिए आकारी बन करके हम वतन में जाएंगे हम उड़ के चले जाएं ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में उस प्यारे से वतन में उस मीठे से वतन में
Om Shanti. Taking everyone's love remembrances. When I went to offer bhog to Baba, Baba always through his drishti welcomes all of us. And then Baba was giving drishti, and I think we all were taking drishti from Baba. Baba always is very, very, like when you look at a big Bab Dada there, you see how, whether I should use word smiling, but very, very joyful. So I kept taking drishti, and then I said, Baba brought bhog on behalf of a Vyakti Parivar and many, many children. Baba accepted bhog with a lot of love. So I said, Baba, your world, subtle world, is very, very beautiful, free from sorrow, no problems. So Baba said, why don't you all also stay there? Baba, yes, we would love to stay. But we still have to play parts. So we are in the corporeal world. Then Baba said that all the children actually receive blessings from Baba. Baba said, you don't, if you ask, no, you don't get by asking. But Baba said you can get blessings by maintaining loveful stage, powerful stage, Hmm. You have to earn those blessings, right? And then Baba said, Baba was looking at hmm, our stock today, what we have in our stock, what is missing. Baba said, generally people warn each other or tell each other, you might not get this, keep stock, right? So sometimes, of course, children also need to keep stock, but it's not only you need is material or physical stock. But Baba said you children need stock of what? Stock of spiritual love, peace, power, knowledge. So how do you keep that stock? There is only one storage place, no, of the stock of these qualities, and that is your sanskars. When something is in the sanskar, thing while doing actions, peaceful actions, loveful actions, so they become sanskars, and that becomes your stock. So Baba said that uh, children, as you all are becoming now, moving towards your not only Sato stage, but Sato Pradhan stage also. So as much you become Sato, the elements will also always provide you and protect you. Elements will always serve you. So Baba said, but also you have to keep in stock what you will need to share with others, right? So their needs are also same as your needs. They all want to experience spiritual love. They want to experience peace. They want to have power. Right? So enough for yourself, and also you can share with others. And Baba said, your safety is in holding the hand of Srimad of Baba. Because when you follow Srimad, you will remember Baba. So that's Baba. You are under canopy of safety, Baba's protection. But Baba said the company also of other Brahmins is also very important. Godly family. And within the family, have lot of love for each other. And at every step, appreciate. At every step, say something good about to that soul. You are so loving, you are so humble, you are so sincere, you are so hardworking, whatever. Before becoming worship worthy, each one has to be praiseworthy, right? So always for each other, say something which is of praise or appreciation all the time. And this is just like you shower flowers. So Baba says this way, you are building that idol of worship worthy in each other, because you all are worship worthy. But how do you invoke that divinity, invoke that deity image into each other. Baba, and then Baba gave lots of love and power to each one of us. Om Shanti.